Hi, today I am going to show you A150. The problem is in the gearbox, transmission gearbox, so I am going to do today. And I'll show you, this is a common problem coming in the car. Okay, you can see here, first you have to drain the oil nut is here and sump nut is here. You need to open all the other bolts, like this one, the thorax bolt is here. Even the whole sub need to take it out and make sure first you have to remove that connector. Is a red pin is on there, you have to remove that pin and then you can pull that connector out. Make sure first of that you have to do that one. Okay, now you can see here the wall block is on there. You have to remove that bolts, this one, and 7 bolt is inside, small, look, 7 bolt is on there, and here is 8 bolt is on there. You have to remove all of them and then the wall block is coming down. You have to press. Okay, now you can see this unit is proper finishing on there and it's repaired. Yeah, so now I am going to install inside the car, and sometime you can see this is the other unit I have and it's broken the leg from here. You can see this leg is broken. See, you can see there is because of the shipping, the customer sent it to the one company, big company, ECU repair, and they're saying that when they receive and then the leg was broken, so we can fix as well that one. So now I am going to fit this unit back, and if you want to do that job, so we can take it out, repair it, adaptation, torque setting, gearbox oil change, gasket change, and complete job 3 to 4 hours. So if you want to do it, bring the car to us, we will do complete job, or send the unit to us, we can repair in 1 hour. You can wait, cup of coffee, your unit will be ready. So you can call 07402536 382. Okay, thank you.